In our last video we have tested the range of our Renault Twizy with the original battery of 12 years old. If you didn't see that video, you should check it out. Today we gonna remove the battery from the Twizy and disassemble it. In this video we will explain how we do it and which tools we are using. We've ordered 14 of those cells from Alibaba.com. It only took 6 months from ordering into shipping, but we were able to purchase those for 1000 euros. That's just a fraction of the price of the original battery. Those 14 cells together have a capacity of 11.29 kilowatt hours. So that's almost double of the capacity of the original battery. So now the time has come to remove the battery from the Twizy. We gonna lift the Twizy up and we're gonna place those stamps, or we call it assteunen in Dutch. And we're gonna place it on the Twizy, and then we use a motor lift to remove the battery from the Twizy. Let's find out if we will succeed today.
Nog ruimte eromheen, denk je?
We have placed the Twizy on the studs, and we hope that this gives us enough clarity to be able to remove the battery pack. So this is the underside of the battery pack. We need to remove those bolts and of course place the motor lift under it before we remove the bolts. Then we can lower it and remove the battery. This is the first connector I disconnected from the battery. I believe this is the charging cable. So the charger is connected to this plug. And here, the other side, I believe that is the high voltage connector, and there should be also a data connector. But it's behind the panel, so we need to remove this panel first.
Getting loose?
Yeah. Hey.
Sounds like it's getting loose.
Yes, it's
loose. Nice.
Okay.
And the little one there.
The little one.
That should be a data connector then, Glenn?
This is the data connector, yeah. Okay. What is its trick? All those connectors have a different mechanism.
Of course. Always the challenge.
Can you give me... do we have a flat screwdriver or something?
I will take a look.
Okay, that was easy.
Oh, nice.
Okay, it's time for the exciting part. I think we have a small issue, and that is the side plate of the Twizy is a little bit lower than the battery itself.
Yeah, maybe we should get some wood and put it as a crossbar between it, just to get the extra few centimeters. Yeah?
Just a small piece of wire.
2 pieces of wood should be sufficient. This is the sound of Glenn professionally separating 2 pieces of for making 2 pieces of wood without a saw. And
okay. Yeah.
Small fortune on camera equipment, and we're using a paper towel as a camera stand. Yeah, you have to improvise something. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this one should be loose. Oh, now
Okay.
your turn, Glenn. Then I will get away over here, if you don't mind. With the last one. The exciting part of this. Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. Are you ready?
I think so. Let's push the button.
Yeah.
Okay.
Slowly but steady. It should drop out now until you're right.
And?
Nothing's happening yet.
Nothing? What?
Or not? Oh, it is. Oh, it looks like there was nothing happening. I thought I didn't see a battery, but...
Okay,
No,
maybe
no,
you
it's
can
fine.
put
Yeah,
it
I
on
will,
the side.
I will hold this on, yeah. Drop it slowly but steady. There it's coming. Okay. Oh, wait. You have to lift up the protection system.
Oh, the protection system.
The safety is still on. Okay. You should be able to push them up and click them in there. Push them higher and then should stay in place, I think. And then you can lower it. Yeah, slowly, slowly. Yeah, perfect. That's coming. Steady.
Okay.
So. So, someone needs a power bank. We have one.
We have...
Okay, but we have to increase the height of the Twizy. I think we're missing about 5 centimeters, so we need the jack to get even higher. It's
but
kind of-
we can do one side.
Yeah, for sure. And
Okay.
maybe we should get a bit more. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Yeah.
Do we have enough clearance?
We're getting close, but let's do the other side and see how it goes. Yeah.
Okay.
I have to slowly drop it because the other side. Maybe it should get another click on the other side as well, then. Now lower it, and then it's on the studs. So it should be free. Oh, yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
Let's go over it, Glenn.
It's fully released, huh?
Be careful for the cable. Shoot. Just a tiny. It's just 2 millimeters. Oh, sure. Oh.
So it's right?
No, just one push more, I think.
Come on, little bedroom.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Nice. Okay. Okay. Let's lower the jack so the Twizy is stable.
Don't throw it in the trash bin.
It's smaller than I expected. On the pictures I saw, it looked way bigger. Okay. Let's lower the jack, Glenn, then the Twizy is
Okay.
stable. So, let's open this spicy cake box.
Okay. So.
That looks
Very clean.
yeah, very nice. Okay.
Okay. So this bar, this is the less cell,
Yeah.
and you said this one is the minus.
Yeah, that's what I expect based on how I see it going through.
And this one is also connected to the body of the chassis.
Yeah. So in my opinion, if we get rid of this one, then at least we should have separated the batteries from the rest.
Okay.
Parts we need for later, or
Maybe.
let's see if we can take that one loose.
Expensive screws, they are gold.
Maybe not to influence the measurement, if that's a current sensor.
Yeah. That might be the reason.
Maybe they are not magnetic or something. Okay.
I think you also need to remove this one.
Yeah, true. Yeah, but this one, those are stuck as well, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe
think-
to remove this one as well.
Yeah, I think you need to remove all bolts here.
Yeah. I'm just wondering if we can tape off that part, because then we know for sure that at least the minus is disconnected.
Oké, ja, je kan het ook gewoon. Je hebt toch draad. Kan hem losmaken. Oh, ik dacht je doet eerst deze.
Well, then we know for sure that we can get it loose. Okay, remove the upper ones. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait a sec, there's still cable attached to the sensor over here.
Current sensor, yeah. Yeah, you need to remove the current sensor. Oh, well.
Yeah, I can't. No, I have it. The sensor. Yeah, oh, it's free. It's free. I didn't see that connector, so. Okay. Okay, at least the bus bars are now off. So now we should have only the individual cells, isn't it? So at least it should now be a bit more safe to work on, instead of everything connected to each other.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. You say to the trash? Or? Ooh. Spicy pillow. Everybody likes a bit of spiciness.
We have brought all the battery cells and the battery enclosure upstairs because I got some more room here to do the planning for the new battery setup. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe because next week we are gonna assemble the battery and we're gonna try if it works. So be sure you watch the next video. Thank you for watching.